Okay, so for 16, it's asking for an angle that has a sine within its range of the cosine at 5 pi over 4. So, way too much to do in our head, so we'll carry this down for later. This part is what you guys have been doing since week like 1 or 2. So this is not inverse, this is just regular old cosine. So we have to know where 5 pi over 4 is on the unit circle. We have to know the point there. And we have to know that cosine is the x value. So all of that middle, by going to the unit circle, becomes negative square root of 2 over 2. You okay with that part?
Yeah.
Okay. And then the second half of the question, which is unique to section 4.7, now it wants to know where's an angle that has a sine of negative square root of 2 over 2 within the range of inverse sine. So you should make one trip around the unit circle and mark everywhere where sine is negative square root of 2 over 2, which happens in 2 places. Remember, sine is the y value, so your 2 dots should have the same y value. And then the reason why we memorize the range of these is we're not just testing to see if you're capable of memorizing them, but because that's where the answers come from. The range of inverse sine is negative pi over 2 to positive pi over 2. So this gives me a visual of what's not my answer and what is my answer. And I'm very tempted to call that 7 pi over 4 because that's the name of that spot. But 7 pi over 4 is not between these values. So you got to think of a different way to name it, like negative pi over 4. Okay, is that enough? Anybody else have something else about 16 while it's still up there?